Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be going over how to use the process of time series dataset in the Hydrostat Statistics Calculator app. First thing I do is upload a file, in this case of recorded gauge data. You can find examples of how to format it on the left. You can also switch your units to be either SI or BG units, CFS or CMS. Once I've uploaded that, I can plot and analyze the data that I uploaded, which will give me a hydrograph, which I can hover over to see different values at different times. It will also tell me whether the time series is consistent, as in the frequency of it is consistent. We can see that this is not consistent, and it shows me where I have gaps in my data. So when in March 16th, 2016, also there's another one in November 16th, 1987. After I check for gaps, I can go down to my pre-processing options, which include interpolation and timescaling the data. Interpolation is a way of filling the gaps by computing piecewise functions for all the different points. So in this, I'm going to timescale it to get the year 1987, so I can see where that gap in the data is more clearly. So first I select the year 1987, and I'm going to get the entire year. Next thing I'm going to do is add an interpolation. So I'll just use a simple linear interpolation in this one, and I'll make it a daily interpolation. So I then can plot this pre-processed data. So up before I saw the gap was at November 16th, 1987. So looking now at November 16th, all the gaps have been filled using a linear interpolation. And there's other methods too that can be utilized to fill potential gaps in your data. I can also zoom into any section and see streamflow values at any day. So after I'm done viewing, I clear the plot and then download the pre-processed data once I'm happy with it. It'll be in the form of a CSV when I download it, which I can view in Excel or other programs. And you can see it gave me all the same data, so I have all the data for the year of 1987.